undergo on a short interview and receive a briefing about our HR processes. Let's begin with the introductions. Mariel.
Good day, I'm Mariel, in charge of recruitment. Applicant, please introduce yourself. Ms. Raven, let's start with you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Raven Dauseya, applying for marketing assistant position.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Renan Ramos with experience in content creation and customer communication.
Good morning, I'm JD Kahayon. I recently finished my internship in digital promotion and I'm applying for the same role.
Thank you. Let's begin with a short interview, then proceed on our HR function overview.
Strength can you contribute to our marketing team?
Strength is digital promotion. Since I just finished my internship, I'm really updated into social media trends so I can help make contents that people actually notice.
Good at analyzing trends and coming up with creative ideas. I like figuring out what works and then turning it into something useful for the team.
I'm a strong content creation and I enjoy writing and making visual, and I think I can help the team communicate message in a clear and engaging way. And when deadlines or workloads become challenging.
Things get challenging. I organize my tasks first. I focus on the urgent ones and make sure I communicate with the team so we can support each other.
Pressure by managing my time carefully. When the workload gets heavy, I prioritize and make sure I understand what needs to be done to avoid mistakes.
I try to stay calm. I break everything into smaller tasks so it doesn't feel overwhelming.
What values do you look for in a workplace culture?
I value teamwork and open communication. It's easier to work when everyone supports each other.
I look for a workplace that has respect and growth. I want an environment that people help each other to learn and improve.
I think a positive inclusion environment is important. I like a workplace where you can share your ideas comfortably and feel heard.
Thank you. That concludes the interview portion. We'll now brief you on our HR processes so you understand the system that you will be joining.
Once hired, you will undergo onboarding, an introduction to company policies, expectations, and tools. You also receive your login to our HR information system for attendance, leaves, and updates.
First month, we evaluate skills through structured training programs. You'll complete guided tasks and receive coaching to help you adapt smoothly. Performance evaluation is done quarterly. We assess productivity, communication, teamwork, and adherence to deadlines. The goal is improvement, not punishment. Salaries are based on job level, experience, and performance. You will also receive mandatory benefits and be eligible for incentives depending on output and attendance. Our culture is built on professionalism, respect, and collaboration. We maintain open communication. Any concern and misunderstood can be brought directly to HR. We encourage a healthy environment where employees feel valued and heard. If conflicts arise, whether about work schedules or resources, HR handles them calmly through mediation. We listen to both sides and look for fair solutions based on facts, not assumptions.
Our HR records attendance, requests, payroll data, and performance log. Accuracy is essential, so employees must update their logs daily. This system ensures transparency and reduces paperwork.
Finally, labor law compliance. We strictly follow our legal guidelines for working hours, benefits, confidentiality, and employee rights. HR details are confidential. No records, files, or employee details should be shared without authorization. To summarize, today you've seen how HR manage recruitment, interviews, onboarding, training and development, performance management, compensation, workplace culture, conflict resolution, HR technology,
Legal compliance.
For your participation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.